Welcome! In this session, we focus on configuring content filtering on your InRouter. Content filtering is key to securing your network by controlling the type of content that can be accessed through it. We'll walk through the steps to set up these filters, helping you maintain a safe and productive network environment.
In this example, we are going to configure the IR302 and block access to the website iot.inhandnetworks.com from devices connected to the IR302. Ensure that the IR302 is connected to the internet. Here we make it through Wi-Fi. You can perform a ping test to verify the connectivity. Connect your PC to the IR302 using the LAN 2 port. This connection will allow your PC to access the internet provided by the IR302. Open another tab on your PC. Navigate to iot.inhandnetworks.com, which can be accessed in the IR302 Web Management. Navigate to the Firewall section. Select Content Filtering from the menu. Click on the option to add a new rule. In the rule settings, specify the URL iot.inhandnetworks.com that you want to block. Set the action to block to prevent access to this URL. Click on OK and Apply to save the rule. After saving the content filtering rule, attempt to access iot.inhandnetworks.com from your PC. You're not able to access the website anymore, which confirms that the content filtering rule is working as intended. This guide provides a straightforward method to configure content filtering on the IR302 to block specific websites. Adjustments can be made to the rule to block or allow different websites as needed based on your network management requirements. For more information, please visit inhandgo.com.